When I was driving. When I was with my girlfriend, I was the passenger. Basically, we were.
You were sitting next to her as she was driving?
Yes, I was. Basically, we were driving over the overpass. We were reaching a red light. As we were stopping at a complete stop, that's when the defendant rear-ended
In your
us.
papers, you say you were at a complete stop. Were you at a complete stop? Or
Yes.
as
We
you
were
just
it was a
indicated,
yellow
you were
light, and
stopping?
we were at a complete stop.
So when the light turned to yellow, where was the car?
My car was my girlfriend's car at the time was right behind the line. We were the first car, and then when he rear-ended us on impact, we hit the curb.
When you say you hit the curb, how did that happen?
We hit the curb on impact. The curb was on the right of us. We were on the far right lane.
How many lanes was there?
There's 2 lanes in total.
And that collision caused you to veer off and crash into the
To the curb, yes.
curb. And then what happened?
And after that, that's when the defendant drove off. We had a
What do you mean drove off?
He basically passed us and tried to turn into the freeway because the freeway entrance was right on the right of us, right after the light.
So he didn't get to the freeway entrance?
He was at the freeway entrance.
At the freeway?
Yes, that's when he stopped, and then that's when we
About
pulled
30
over.
feet?
I
40
would say
feet?
about 30 feet.
And you exchanged information?
Yes.
Do you have a license?
Yes, I do.
Were you insured?
My girlfriend was insured at
Who owned the vehicle?
She did. It was her vehicle.
Okay. Mr. Memon, tell me what happened.
So it was 9:15 a.m., March 19, and we were driving on Brookhurst Street. That was the name of the street. We crossed Slater, which is the cross street before where the incident happened. Now, when I rear-ended him, the light was yellow, and I'm positive. And he almost crossed the light, and he stopped. That's when I bumped into him.
Now, wait a minute. You say he. Are you
Yes.
alleging
So
that?
I did listen to what the plaintiff said. He said he was not driving. He was driving. He came out from the left, and his girlfriend, she came out from the right. I was inside my vehicle. I apologized to them, and I told them, I'm really sorry. And they checked how bad the damage is. They sat in their car again, and as soon as the light turned green, they drove off. I pulled on the side where the entrance is to the freeway. I stopped. If I wanted, I could have ran away, but I didn't because I'm a very good human being. I don't like to do hit and run or anything. So I stopped on the side. They come to me and they talk to me, and I tell them, do you want to sort it out? You know, instead of going to the insurance. Because obviously I don't want...
Something I'm missing. I understand what you're saying, but after you collided with them, you say that at that point, the plaintiff got out of the car, but he got out from the driver's side.
Yes, he did.
You're sure of that?
I am 100% positive.
Because the plaintiff claims that he was a passenger.
Yes, I heard that. He was the one driving. She was
And
the one...
that all occurred at the stoplight.
Yes.
Did you exchange information before you drove away?
No. So
Why not?
Because there was a lot of traffic behind us, and I did not want to block the traffic. I go from that street every single day to work, so I know there's a emergency lane, and I can stop over there without blocking the traffic.
Thank you. Do you have a lawyer?
Yes, I had an attorney at that time.
Did you go to the lawyer?
Correct.
And how did you come to hire this chiropractor or go to this chiropractor?
From my girlfriend's attorney. It was my girlfriend's family.
The attorney recommended it?
It was my girlfriend. She recommended the attorney.
Did you go to work the next day?
No, I couldn't.
Did you go to work thereafter, any days?
I did not. I was dealing with all the car issues and everything, so I had to take time off.
Chiropractor was referred to you by your girlfriend's lawyer.
Correct.
Judge Acker?
Can I object?
What did you want to say?
So he did mention he didn't go to work that day, which is incorrect. Because if you see Exhibit B, the text messages, the plaintiff clearly says, I am at work right now.
Let's cut to the chase. What was the total payout that your insurance company paid?
It's around $1,300.
On top of those repairs, sir, you're claiming $5,000 in personal injuries and pain and suffering.
Yes, correct.
You said you didn't go to work. The defendant just presented a text message where you referred to working after the accident. How do you explain that message?